In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a game pass in Roblox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So if you want to create a game pass in Roblox, you actually don't want to go over to Roblox itself. What you want to do is go to a different URL and you want to go over to create.roblox.com. You can type this in on any browser. It's going to bring you to this page and then just sign in to your Roblox account. Then from here, you're going to see experiences. So you want to click on your place. And if you don't see your place here, go on to creations on the left, then click on your place from there. Then on the left, you want to scroll down until you find the monetization section. It's going to have a lot of different things, but you want to go ahead and click on passes, which is the third option. Then what you want to do to make a game pass is press create a pass right here. As you can see, I have a few over here. So just create a pass. You can name it anything you want. So I'm going to make this one just called like and subscribe. You can have up to 50 characters. And you can have your description up to 1000 characters. Then from here, just press create pass. As you can see, like and subscribe is created, but right now it's off sale. So what you want to do is click on it, the one that you just made, go to sales on the left and then press enable item for sale, and then you can just have it as any default price you want. So we're just going to do 10 Robux right now. We can enable regional pricing, select the countries, and we're just going to save changes, and it says pass update successfully. Then we're going to go back to passes, and as you can see, like and subscribe is active, and now you can use this game pass.